Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cool Minecraft banners, updated. Start by picking a base color and sketching a simple design to follow. Open a loom, place the banner and dye, then apply patterns one at a time while previewing results. Focus on symmetry and contrast for bold shapes and use borders to frame the motif. Save templates and test small variations to find your favorite combinations. Layering is what makes a banner stand out, so start with broad backgrounds and build toward small details. Pick 2 or 3 contrasting dyes and apply them in order, testing visibility after each step. Use geometric shapes first, then add emblematic symbols like crosses or skulls for personality. Remember to balance color saturation and negative space so the banner reads clearly from a distance in-game or on a wall. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials and quick builds. Quick recommendation: I love the Kindle Paperwhite for reading guides and inspiration between sessions. It makes research comfy. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can pick one up if you want. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. For advanced banners, experiment with transparent patterns to achieve subtle textures and layered colors without overpowering the design. Try applying a banner to a shield for a mobile emblem, or hang several variants as a guild display on a base wall. Keep a small library of templates using named banners or written books so you can quickly reproduce successful designs. Practice makes faster builds and more confident color choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.